Now come to question number 24, exercise 1, phase 6, indefinite integration, mathematics. Integration of sin x upon sin x minus cos x. A similar question has come earlier also, I think 20 or 21 number question. Multiply by 2, divide by 2. So 1 upon 2, 2 sin x. Write that sin x minus cos x plus sin x plus cos x. You can see cos x will cancel upon sin x minus cos x. So it is 1 upon 2, divide 1 plus sin x plus cos x upon sin x minus cos x dx. So this will be 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 2. This is, now here you take sin x minus cos x is equal to t. So cos x plus sin x dx is equal to dt. So this is plus dt upon t. So this is 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 2 log of t is how much? Sin x minus cos x plus c. So this will be answer of this question. Thank you very much.